Experience a laundry basket that blends fashion and practicality. Introducing our high-quality cotton rope laundry basket, meticulously handcrafted with an elegant touch. With its unique leather handle, it offers a comfortable grip, making carrying heavy loads a breeze. Say goodbye to the burden of heavy laundry. Whether in the laundry room, storing blankets, toys, or even doubling as a stylish decorative piece, our cotton rope laundry basket seamlessly complements your home decor, providing a convenient storage solution. Whether in the laundry room, storing blankets, toys, or even doubling as a stylish decorative piece, our cotton rope laundry basket seamlessly complements your home decor, providing a convenient storage solution. Made from 100% natural cotton rope, our laundry basket is not only exquisite but also eco-friendly and biodegradable, contributing to preserving our green planet. Join us in safeguarding the environment while elevating your home style with this chic and practical cotton rope laundry basket. Contact us now and discover the perfect solution to organize your space with elegance.